Unlock the power of Twilio to send SMS messages to anyone, anywhere, with simple API calls. First, you'll need your Twilio account SID and auth token, found in your Twilio console dashboard. These are your unique credentials for authenticating API requests. Next, ensure you have an enabled Twilio phone number. This will be the sender ID for your outgoing messages to third-party recipients. Now, integrate Twilio into your application by using one of Twilio's official helper libraries or SDKs, available for most popular programming languages. This simplifies interaction with the API. With your chosen SDK, define the parameters for your SMS message. This includes the recipient's phone number, your Twilio sender number, and the actual message content you wish to send. Once your parameters are set, trigger the send action. The SDK will handle the secure communication with Twilio's messaging API, initiating the message delivery process. Finally, process the response from Twilio. You'll receive confirmation of successful message submission or detailed error information if any issues occurred. By following these clear steps, you can seamlessly integrate robust SMS capabilities into any application, reaching third-party recipients globally for notifications, alerts, or any other communication needs.